Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable the limiter on the HyperX SoloCast 2 microphone. So if you want to enable the limiter, the first thing that we're going to do is open up the Ingenuity app, and it should be the beta version, keep that in mind. You can download it from the official HyperX website, and there's also a tutorial on the channel how to set it up. So once it's set up and you've opened the app, the Ingenuity beta, and then we're going to connect our microphone to the PC. And once that's done, it's going to automatically get detected. And after that, we can go to the left under Devices, select SoloCast 2, and press Audio. And then we're going to enable the effect on the bottom right by pressing the toggle and enabling the limiter. And now that the limiter is enabled, you can do a microphone test by pressing the button on the top and testing out whether it's better with the compressor or not, so whichever version you prefer. And once you've selected the option, your settings will be saved automatically. So that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.